This is preparation. You have to be tactical with such a large vehicle up a trail like this.
I have no idea what the hell I'm doing.
So sketch. Woo! That was a pucker moment.
Ollie's got a track record for self-destruction on the Jeep, so we'll see how this one goes. I'm most worried about spending the night on that trail.
He's over 7,000 pounds with that vehicle with the way that it's already loaded out. That's a challenge in itself.
No matter what happens, it's going to be great conversation on the podcast. That I can guarantee.
I've built my name, made some of my best friends. My career has grown from it. My life revolves around it.
He'll get through it. It's just going to be a matter of, will we get through it on 4 wheels at the end of the night, or will we get through it on a flatbed?